Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Office is installed and you are signed, and so autosave works. Once done, open PowerPoint and pick a template that matches your goal. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for modern displays. Next, immediately save the file as a PPTX and store it in OneDrive or a local folder. This prevents data loss and lets you use version history, so you can iterate confidently as you build your presentation. Now focus on constructing your slides. Add new slides using predefined layouts and group them into sections to keep the flow clear. Edit the slide master to lock in fonts, colors, and logo so every slide stays consistent. This saves time and prevents last-minute fixes. Insert images, charts, and video, then use Align, Guides, and the Format Painter to position elements precisely. Once content is placed, apply tasteful transitions and simple animations to guide attention without distracting your audience. Finish by rehearsing timings and using presenter view so you can see notes while the audience sees slides. Once satisfied, export as PDF for handouts or MP4 for video playback. If sharing, embed fonts or use file export package to ensure fidelity on other machines. Before you present, test the file on the target device and check linked media playback. Troubleshooting tip: if a font or media fails, substitute a common system font and re-embed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.